Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So we're here today with Laika and Lauren Jess.
Hey, Mama.
So
Hi,
today,
everyone.
you say hi, honey. You say hi.
Say hi. Look at your side. Try.
So today we're not gonna talk about Uber, but instead we're gonna do a celebration for Lauren Jess' birthday. And punta tayo ng Adelaide, no? So 2.5 hours again, and it's already 12:20. So let's go. Hi guys, so just a quick update. Time check is already 2:30. Nasa Bukana na tayo ng Adelaide and malapit na tayo sa ating unang destination. So one of the goals kung bakit tayo nagpunta ng Adelaide is to get Laika's new car. So papalitan na tong unit niya. So we leave it there and get the other one. So sana all. So we're 1 minute away. Yeah, left turn tayo. Stop.
So we got our keys. Yeah.
Lauren, quick check.
So here they are. So we're gonna get the new car. So here is our new car, the First Tech one. Because we have the XB there, and then we upgraded to First Tech. It's actually almost the same as XB. The difference is it's more high-tech and it has a bigger screen. Hi, Lauren. Honey. Hi. So we're going now to the hotel.